See the price of silver now trading at a level of $42.1560, and if you look at this particular trend, there is a continuous upside we have seen. Okay, and I have clearly explained you that silver mostly trades in a zone. So now after crossing this particular zone, it has made a half around $42.5, and from there, if the price moving of this level, a further upside can be seen. This is the range where we have seen the price is moving for so long. This is the range. Okay, so whenever it is moving out of this range, we have seen a good upside as well as downfall. This is what we have seen an upside. If you look at this particular trend, we have seen a downfall, and then this is the zone. So you have to remember that in the next 2 days we have not seen a very vast movement compared to previous this particular level, and these are few levels when the price has come down. That is where we have seen. Otherwise the price is continuously moving upside. Okay, so what we can see, so before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, the price has already moved out from a zone of 41.6, which is a strong support. So keep that in mind. From there a bounce back can be seen, but if the price started falling below this level, a further downfall can be seen towards $39.9. Okay, there is a gap at this particular level, so you have to understand this particular gap. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above this level, it can touch its level of $42.4. Okay, and if the price moving of this level, a further upside can be seen. Okay, so if the price moving above the level 42.4, we can see a further upside, and if the price going above that particular level, a further high can be seen. So best you can do, you can trail your SL by 0.3 or $0.4, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. But if the price started coming down, we can see it can move towards 41.6. Okay, and if the price falling below 41.6, a further fall can be seen towards $41.4, and then we can see it can come down towards a level of around 40.8. Okay, this is what we can see. And once the price falling below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards 40.4. Okay, and if then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price can touch a level of around $40. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so this gap can be filled. At from there again we can see a bounce back, but there is a probability that it can bounce back from a level of 41.6. Okay, and if it started falling below this level, this gap will be filled at around $39.9. So keep this in mind. And once started moving out of this zone, it can touch this next support of around 39.5. From there also we can see a bounce back, but if that didn't bounce back, we can see it can go further low. So if the price started going above this level, we can see it can touch its next level of around $42.4, and if the price moving above that particular level, we can see a level of 42.8, and if the price keep moving further high, we can see a probability of touching, we can see a level of 43, and then to a level of 43.5, and then a further upside. So best you can trail your SL by 0.3 or $0.4. So if the price moving of this level, a further upside can be seen. Okay, because we have seen all-time highs coming at around $50. So, but suppose if it started making a swing from this particular level, it started going below this level, we can see a support one coming at a level of 41.7. that is a support one. Okay, it can bounce back from this level, but if that didn't bounce back, we can see it can touch a level of 41.4, and from there a further downfall can be seen towards $40.9. If the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 40.5 will be there, and then a further downfall can be seen towards 40. Okay, then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will fall further down, and from there a level of 39.5, and then a further downfall can be seen. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,